All right. What's up, Slasher?
Hey. Got some ribs here. I'm gonna get these going, huh?
Oh, I got some ribs.
Right now I'm putting on pork privilege, which has always been a winner. It's got a great flavor to it. Absolutely. Really enhances the pork flavor, that's for sure. Got it going. Yes. Put those right across there. Yeah. There we go. That right there. Bring in the other section here.
All right.
Yeah. Put that right on here. Buffalo.
All right.
It's got a nice little kick to it, you know.
All for that.
Yeah.
Up a little bit different.
Yeah. Setup.
Oh wow, look at this. Look at that. You got 4 racks in there. Got the holes to the side. I like that. Yep.
You're done in about 15 minutes, too.
It's amazing. Miracle time.
We got the Hungarian peppers. Yeah. This is like a little snack on the side with the ribs. Set them in the fridge for now. Spray those ribs. Oh, yeah. Spray them down. Let them down good. Quick spray here. Get that bottom one there.
Look at those guys right there.
Watch this. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Nice moist.
Spray them through the grate.
Alright. So what is it going to take another 5-6 hours? What's that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Thumbs up.
What'd you cook, Gordon? Oh, look at that. Yum. Yeah. Oh, these ribs coming.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Wait for it, wait for it. Big stuffed shrimp. Warden brought these over. We just gotta heat them up. It's a 2-day party.
Go. What are these? Buffalo rib? Buffalo rib.
Yes, you get it. Here you go. Let's see that slapper.
That's a slap. Hey, toast. Wow. Good, nice bite.
Oh, that's man.
Yeah, buffalo's in there, too.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, put them up.
So slapping a tickle bone.
Bones are
That's a thin bone.
no leftover to me.
Good job.
Wait, I thought we already ate everything. Stuffed shrimp? Are you kidding me? Must have been the warden. Bringing more food. Wow. Got ribs.
The warden caught these shrimp today.
Had some ribs.
Where would you get the
That's
shrimp,
stuff.
Dave? You and Jitter just got off the boat today, right? You caught the
Caught-
shrimp.
That's my life. I'm always on a boat.
Shrimp's on me, boys.
Thank you, Warden. Thank you. Where'd you like? Duck feathering it came out of somewhere.
Oh, wow. That's a Coach Pete Leonard. Cheers to the chefs, the pit masters.
Absolutely. Thanks for all your support.
Thanks to everyone out there. Using on this is SPG.
All right, this is the way it is. In this way for 15 years now. So the next time you're looking for a recipe or recipes for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
Merry Christmas. Barbecue Pit Boys for life. Here's the
BBQ Pit Boys for life.
always keep the brotherhood going.
And keep your powder dry, boys.
That's right.
Glass is full.
And Rudolph's not making Christmas.